Alright, so I'm just going to jump right into it. Hi there, I hope everyone's having a grand old day. Oh, I forgot to put chat on screen. I knew I forgot to do something. What that something was chat, and you think that, hey, I would have that done before I go and do the recording. Nope. What else is new but then doing things on the fly? You can come... You guys can be up here. Alright, so for those that know, I did a Craftibly order before they announced their whole make it or break it sale, and while I'm still waiting for my order from the 9th, which is 2 weeks today, still have not been shipped, but they're working on it. They've been having things. I got 2 diamond paintings. There was this Crimson Orcale one, which I love so much. We're going to do that one first. And then I got one of their stocking stuffers, which was their mystery boxes. And out of all of the availability ones, I am very happy I got the one I wanted. So this is Crimson Orcale. It's done by Wormtail. And personally, it was one that I wanted for a while. But I kept putting it on the background. I don't know, Facebook went off. And my phone is currently recording. So I actually have to go open Facebook up to see what it said. Hopefully the phone gets it all in one go. Alright, hold on. I don't know, maybe the light's a little too dramatic. Oh god, I hit the hunt. So this is the first one, and it unfortunately, turn that off. Yeah, that's a little bit better. But this is the first one, and I'm gonna try my best. It's a little bit big. I believe it's a. Hold on, I got the information. Ow, that was my foot. It's a 20 by 28. So it's pretty big. I think it's the same size as transparent that I did. Hold on, transparent was 51 by 76. This one's really nice. It's 58 colors. Unfortunately, Craftibly has very many colors to everything they do. But this one was pretty good, and I really enjoyed it. I mean, hold on, we always gotta do this. Gotta feel the stickiness. Oh my god, you can literally hear this tackiness of it. At least the mic can. But what's cool about this, let me get the info. Let me get the info sheet. They come with stickers to put on your things. There's 58 colors. But out of the colors, there are 6 special drills and 2 rhinestones. And I believe the most of it is in the fire around her. Here, we'll not be, we'll zoom in more on her face. But one thing Craftibly does that I really do enjoy is that all of their stuff's already in reusable baggies. But let's be real, I'm gonna take them out of the baggies. But you have to appreciate to a degree. Actually, I think one of the baggies opened up. That's fun. I just want to show off the one color. As you can see a little bit here. There we go. Where are they? I think they should all be down here. Nope, alright. So there are 6 special drills, which is these. I don't know if you really can see it, but there's these whites, a little bit of these purples. Come on, focus in. There we go. I'm trying to put them back in the order that I got them. Now, these are rounds. The other one's square. We got some pink. Now, this is the first time I've ever seen, but there's like this nice cherry red that makes them special. Then there are a little bit of these yellows. There we go. Wow, when that camera focuses, it focuses. Holy heck. And then these, I'm going to be honest, I'm working on Hush Batman, and this color here has been the special drills for all of the Batman ones I've been doing. So I'm a little bit tired of seeing that color. However, this one, because it's round, has 2 rhinestones, and I'm going to zoom in real quick here. As you can see, they're like a little bit see-through on them. Not see-through, but they're like clear, crystal-ish, rather than a full. And of course, it's also red. This is the first one I'm actually going to do that has the rhinestones in it. Now, it's these symbols down here, and I wish I could bring them up more. But, again, if we look here, all of the blue here is the special. I'm trying to see where the special blue and rhinestones are. It looks like the blue is going to be the highlights up in here. Is going to be the blue rhinestones. And I'm assuming the red one's going to be a part of her hair and all that. Unfortunately, I'm having a real hard time seeing them without physically picking up the canvas. Yeah, it looks like it's all up in her hair up in here. Which I am more than okay with. Now, when I'm doing this one, I really don't know, but we're going to pack this one up real quick. And then I can show you the mystery one I got. Now, the mystery one is called Gracie the Gardener. I'm trying not to spoil anything. Yes, I'm going to show the toolkit in a minute. I only got one that went with Crimson Orcale. I figure I'll do that last. But this is Gracie the Gardener. And she is the mystery one that I got. Well, let me roll it up the other way. She's being a little bit of a... She's being a little bit of a pain. Not much. We just roll her up the other way. But this one I showed to Norma, and Norma instantly fell in love with. It is, I believe she's like a little elf girl, and her whole hat's up here is a mushroom. And it's just really pretty. Now this one is 59 colors with only 3 of the special drills. And the 3 special drills I could tell you now are the background around her will glow a nice little yellow. K, which is the green, is up here and down in the flower shading. And then we have some O's up here in the clouds. So those are where the special drills are. And these are squares, so you don't really get the extra specials. Like the rhinestones and stuff like that. Those are usually reserved for rounds. But this one I'm just going to sneak in here and grab because I'm very happy with these. Because dirt is like, come on. Look at this yellow. And they have that like special coating on them. But like, look how full this baggie is. compared to the other baggies of normal colors. It's, I wouldn't say it's a color of corn, but more like a sweet butter corn. We got the white to go everywhere else. Like this whole background right here is all white special drills. Craftibly does not cheap out on that. And we got a very nice green. And this was my mystery kit that could have been a heck of a lot worse. It could have been like a dog in a teacup and stuff. So when Norma saw this, she instantly fell in love with it. And I mean, how can you not? Now, this tagginess and all that's going to be the same. But just because that's what we do here. Ow. I'm trying to see if the mic picks it up. It's very nice. I don't know. People praise Diamond Art Club, and while I do like Diamond Art Club, these ones are very nice quality. It's such a shame that they're having problems. Alright. Now, for the real thing that I love so much about Craftibly, and why I was very upset that I did not get one with Gracie, because I believe those were sold as is, and it didn't come with the toolkit. But this is the toolkit that comes with their things. It comes in a nice little canvas burlap sack, and it comes with just a whole bunch. Like, I'm gonna reuse that bag so much. We got 2 things of washi tape. And let's be real, this is just going to be added to a bag of washi tape that Miss Cappuccino didn't want, my sister. So she was just gonna say, we'll do something with that. But with my luck with cover minders, we got a nice little wax holder, and we'll show that off in a second. And we got a nice cover minder. But out of 3 cover minders I've gotten from 2 different companies, the magnet broke. But as a cover minder herself, look at this cute little hedgehog. And if you look ever so closely, she has like little stitching. Come on. Little stitching around her eyes and stuff. It is adorable. And then we also get an actual toolkit, which the box doesn't really want to open. It has everything else you would need. It comes with what I call diamond dots, but the little circular round one if you prefer that. If you like the normal wax, it came with their signature, I guess, purple color. And this fits nicely into the container here. It also comes with multi-placers and a normal pen. But let's be honest, most things don't give you a multi-placer. It gives you this really nice purple little splitter tray with them. I'll have to try this one out. But I'm a sucker for good tweezers. Look at these. There's like a nice spring on them. Oh, they're perfect. And they have like a nice, like really pointed edge to them if they want to focus at any point. Not really. Like, Diamond Art Clubs are a little bit more pointed. But I personally don't like the Diamond Art Club ones much. These just have like a better feel to them. And yeah, that's everything. I'm going to stick this all back in so I can put it back into the reusable baggie. But I'm kind of sad to hear that they're having problems. I would give you a link, but they just did their Make It or Break It sale 2 weeks ago. And there's currently not much on their store for diamond painting. But we have 2 seconds, 1 minute. Let me pause the recording. All right, so I figured while we're here, I might as well give an update of what I'm working on. So this is one I didn't do an unboxing for, and I'm really sad that I didn't because it looks so amazing. I didn't do it for Valentine's Day, so why did I not do it for St. Patrick's Day when I'm doing? I don't know. I got it off Amazon. Norman liked it, and I'm like, you know what? We need something to go there. I'm having a blast doing it. I'm going to probably finish it in a couple days. But I figured, you know what? Why not show what I'm currently working on? So this looks really nice. I love the shading in the bottles and the clovers here. When you look at it so close, you tend to forget all the little details that are in it. Then I'm also working on this monster. And it was my first unboxing, but I have been working very hard on the Batman Hush one. And this one is 128 by 70 centimeters or 50 by 27 inches. This is the one I'm working the most on in my free time. I currently have this section's almost done, but Catwoman's almost all done. And with her being the biggest character, you kind of have to be all right with that. But yeah, this is where it sits most of the day. And then I'll just come over, I'll do a couple, then I'll go back to doing whatever I was doing. But yeah, so that's it for the video. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, I'm gonna go play a game or something now. Till next time, have a good time and keep diamond painting on. Don't know why I said that.